Hi everybody, welcome back to the Miss Linda C. Jones YouTube variety channel. Hope all of you are doing well on this 17th day of July 2026. You've just been listening to the beautiful sound of church bells, and as I have posted some previous videos with church bells, I never grow tired of listening to that healing frequency sound. There's lots and lots of information out there, and I would kindly suggest or encourage you to look that up about healing frequencies of bells and the history of bells and so much that bells do. I mean, they're about telling time. These are 12 noon bells, but they're so much more than that. And as a professional musician, I think that the sound invigorates me even more. But I'm sure that for those who are not musicians, the sound is still magical and captivating and prayerful and meditational, and it helps one to delve into your own inner feelings about spirituality and reflection and contemplation. So anyway, I'd love to hear from you in the comment section about your knowledge of the history of bells and the intentionality some time ago for bells to serve as healing frequencies. All right, everybody, I'm going to place a link in the description of this video. It will be religious repertoire. Most probably, I'll place my recording of Amazing Grace. In the meantime, thank you for being a part of my channel. God bless.